Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandria and today I'm giving you 2 New Year's looks that I created for you guys. New Year's is just around the corner and I wanted to create some simple looks for you guys. But before I get into the video, I want to quickly introduce myself if you're new to the channel. My name is Alexandra. I also go by Alex. I'm a beauty creator here on YouTube. I have a fashion blog and a wrestling podcast. If you're interested in any of those stuff, I'll definitely link it below for you guys. Okay, let's get started. So I was supposed to come here for Christmas and give you guys my Christmas makeup look. I did not have time to record, meaning I woke up early and I had set myself in a schedule. Like I said, I'm gonna have enough time to do this, do that, do that, do that. And when the moment came after I made my sweet potato, I looked at the time and ironed the clothes and I didn't have time. I only had time to make a TikTok video, and that's what I did. I did not have no time, and then I had to go pick up my mom with my husband. You know how moms are. They're super impatient, and my mom was having like super impatient, like, hurry up, you have to come and pick me up, we're late. And we spend it with my aunt. So I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas, but that's what I did. I spent it with my family. Let me know in the comments below what you guys did for Christmas, but that's what I did. I was running late and I couldn't give you guys a video. So today I'm creating 2 New Year's looks, and on the 31st I am gonna record because on the 31st, entering the 31st to the 1st of January, 1st of January is my birthday, and I tend to like do something and create a look for my birthday, entering the new year. So obviously I'm gonna record that day because I want to show you guys what I'm doing on my eye look. But I wanted to give you guys 2 very simple New Year's looks if you're interested in creating any of them. Here's one of the looks that I have on. I want to quickly break down the tutorial to you guys. The very first at the beginning of the tutorial will be focusing what I did on my face and what I use. Everything that I use on my face will be below, and the eyeshadow palette also. For the second part of the tutorial, I'm only going to be focusing on the eyes. I will not be posting what I did on my face because that's going to be in a very beginning part of this tutorial for you guys. So it will just show, so what am I doing in the first part will be in the second part. Just I'm not going to upload that footage for you guys. It makes it more easy and more understandable. So I just wanted to break it down to you guys. I don't want you guys to get into the second tutorial expecting to see a foundation, what I'm doing on my foundation and what blush and everything, but everything that I do use below, everything that I'm using will be below for you guys. Okay, let me stop yapping and let's get into the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy these 2 New Year's looks, and let me know what you guys doing for New Year's. If you guys are gonna get dressed up, or you're gonna go spend time with your family, or you're gonna just still get dressed up and sit home and enjoy, you know, do the countdown by yourself. But you know, getting dressed always boosts anybody's mood, because it does boost my mood, especially when you put on makeup. It just boosts me up. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. I want to say happy holidays and happy new year, and I'll definitely see you guys after the new year with a new video. Bye guys.